Alright, what is up, my dudes? Just got back home from Eglin, Florida, and beforehand my LED was not working. Let's turn it on. No LED at the moment. First thing I think of is, alright, let's check the fuse. I picked up one of these things a while back, and it's a little fuse checker. I'm going to check this fuse. This isn't for the LED, but just showing you what it does here. There's little metal prongs, I'll show you. So the little prongs have to go to the little metal tabs for the little light to turn on. Makes it pretty easy on checking fuses. It's nice to own too when you have a camper and fuses are always blown and shit. This is the fuse for the LED here. Doesn't look like a correct fuse. Looks like I hastily used the wrong fuse. Oh, yep, that one's blown. Hard doing this with one hand. There we go. Oh yeah, that one sure is blown. Actually, I found a little variety pack out of my truck I had, so I'll put a 30 in that one. Okay, slid the 30 in. LED's on. Cool. Problem solved. Finally back home. Beautiful night out here. Temperatures are finally dropping, so it's perfect night for dubbing today. Whoa, 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 easy girl. So a quick little debrief of where I've been recently. I just got back from Eglin, Florida. I was down there for over 10 days. I spent the night in Texas last night. Our plane broke. We had to make an emergency landing. So I was at Fort Worth last night. Had a nice hotel room, but it feels good to be back here on the dub. Let's have some fun tonight. Alright, last time I remember in these hills, it was pretty hard. But let's go confirm that, I guess. Woo. I worked out today. We had PT. We did a lot of lunges. My legs are sore. This is no fun. Ooh, boy. Fun stuff. Let's follow this washways. See where it takes us. Alright, let's see where this leads. So glad I got these foot pegs, the Crater pegs on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. I think most people, if not, I know not all people are running them, but a good majority people are, and I've had no problems. I'm not getting sponsored by them, but they're just good pegs and they're cheap. Like, don't waste your money on expensive pegs when these are good. You know what I mean? Some pegs are expensive. They're like $150 or more just for pegs. And like, these are like 30 bucks. They're pretty good. Oh boy. Yeah! That was fun. Oh! Let's stay right, I suppose. I totally forgot to get gas, but I'm not going too far tonight. I'm not too worried. Just going out back and coming right back in. Okay, got my phone, got my wallet. It's no fun losing things on the ride. Got my tripod. Ooh. Let's go back in her. Ooh. That looks like a pretty spicy trail right there. I suppose I could attempt that one. Oh. Oh boy. Yeah. Yeah. A lot looser than I thought it'd be. I got momentum. Woo! There we go. Yeah! Ha 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 ha! Gotta go down this shitty stuff. First gear, clutch out, brake out, or brake in, clutch out. I like to use first gear engine braking while using the front and rear brakes. Kind of control my speed going down stuff like this. Let it roll too. Let it roll. Momentum is your friend. Okay, let's do that one. Let's do this now. Whoa. That wasn't too bad. Okay, this one, I think I can make it. And these boulders, they're not boulders, just big rocks, baby head rocks. That's gonna be a little problematic, but let's give it a shot, I guess. So a while back, I wasn't recording, I don't think, but I rode to the top of that peak, and from here it's like, oh, I got a little road there, not a big problem, but just wait a few seconds and I'll show you what I have to deal with here. Okay, I think I gotta go this way to get over there, I'm pretty sure. Ooh. Oh, work with my bike. Yeah, looking down there, it's like, it doesn't look too bad on camera, but just wait. Oh boy. I lost my rear brake. It doesn't work right now. Oh. Okay, it doesn't really work anyways. Oh yeah, I kind of need that brake. Ooh. Let it roll, like I said. Ah, big mind game. Let it roll. Let it roll and pray for the best line. That's how you ride this thing. Easy night, I say. Yeah, it's full of shit. Let's get the front wheel up. Yeah! I love doing that. That's so much fun, getting the wheel up. Whoa! Let me down today, T-Dub. Oh boy, was it that hill, or I think it was that one in front of me. That one's hard. I'm pretty sure it's that one. I'm just tired. I just don't want to stand right now. It's been a long day. I'm so glad that it go into neutral. Woo! Run out of daylight. Got my LED going again. It was just a bad fuse. Oh! I think this is it. This must be it. Maybe it was that hill. I can't remember. I'll do something fun, I guess. Oh! Thing chugs up about anything. Okay, I'm pretty sure that is the hill right there. Woo! Whoa! Boy! It looks like a bomb just went off over there. It's one of their ranges. Big smoke cloud. Oh, this is amazing out here, bro. Quit making all that goddamn racket over there, disturbing the wildlife.